Coming out here for the first time this morning. I just got it all put back together yesterday. New oil filter put in right in there. The old one was disgusting. Got the engine all back together. I did have an oil leak last night coming out of the intake manifold. I'm gonna turn that on. Coming out of the intake valve cover, which I tightened up. Now here's the filter I took out of it. Let's take a look at this bad boy. There was a whole bunch of gunk on it that I cleaned up already, like filings and stuff. So, but yeah, I know I need to clean up the garage. It's pretty disgusting. Let's take a look, see if it'll fire up. Fired right up. Good, Bob. Sure there'll be some smoke as the rings seat, but so far nothing really. Don't smell any burned oil either. We'll see what happens. So it's back together. Yeah, it's a mess in here. It's an absolute mess. But sounds good, and I got it all back together.